Welcome back to Autoscope. 2026 Kenworth Motorhome, a blend of luxury, power, and state-of-the-art technology. Exterior, with its big, tough body and minor aerodynamic features for fuel economy, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome has a commanding presence. Adaptive LEDs are used in every outdoor lighting. The body is dotted with numerous under-seat storage spaces that are accessible from the outside and made to hold outdoor equipment. The motorhome's roof is equipped with large-capacity solar panels that can produce a substantial amount of electricity. Kenworth's dedication to universal accessibility is demonstrated by the main entrance's motorized retractable staircase and optional wheelchair leaf. Inside, a fully digital dashboard that shows driving information onto sizable touchscreens. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Wi-Fi hotspot, and 5G connectivity are all features of the integrated infotainment system. Opulent leather seats with multi-directional motorized adjustability, massaging, warmth, and cooling. Couches and chairs with motorized reclines that are ergonomically designed and made of leather or high-quality fabric. Electrically retractable large QLED flat-screen TV from the ceiling. Kitchen compact dishwasher, convection oven, microwave, 2 or 3 burner induction cooktop, full-size refrigerator with ice machine, and integrated coffee maker. A king-size bed with a premium memory foam mattress guarantees a good night's sleep following an exciting day of exploring. Plenty of storage options include built-in bookcases, underbed storage drawers, and walk-in or huge sliding wardrobes, by providing clean water for drinking and bathing. An integrated water filtration system removes the need for bottled water. A dual-zone HVAC system ensures maximum comfort by independently controlling the temperature in various parts of the RV. Satellite access for seamless access, even in rural areas. An optional satellite internet system is available. Advanced security system, GPS tracker, motion sensor, alarm system, and 360-degree security camera.